Lazy days with you are the best days when I can curl up in your arms and just breathe you in your touch. It does something to me, it lets me know that I'm not cheap. When time's not on our side and friends they come and go, my love for you remains, and you'll never let me go. You know I'll never love another quite like I love you, my favorite one. Been tried and tested, we made it through, and I'll do
faked it. No, you're not that good. I know you love me, I felt it. So strong, that strong. I knew it was something kinda crazy, but never not honest. I know you love me, I felt it, but you're gone, so gone. When I know you're not alone, I can't help but feel alone. When you say you're on your own, I found my way home, but I still can't find me. Were you scared that it cost you? That it felt too damn good? You gave me love and you ran away. Are you gone? Too gone. When I know you're not alone, I can't help but feel alone. When you said you're on your own, I found my way home, but I still can't find me. Cause I know, felt it, yeah. Cause I know that you felt like home. Cause I know that you could imagine what we have imagined. When I know you're not alone, I can't feel you feel alone. No, you chose to let me go, but God, I still hope that you come looking for me.
When you look at the window where the sky flows away, I've been watching the same stars, and I hold a little thing for you. Nobody knows you so the way that I do. Nobody knows about the stuff we went through. I took this happy time, I give you the keys, and I keep it safe for when you're back with me. Keeping it safe, keeping it safe, keeping it safe for when you're back with me. Keeping it safe, keeping it safe, keeping it safe for when you're back with me. And if you are feeling a chill as the night turns its way, I will sound the room is over, and I drive away the gate comes. Nobody knows you so the way that I do. Nobody knows about the stuff we went through. I took this happy time, I give you the keys, and I keep it safe for when you're back with me. I'm keeping it safe, keeping it safe, keeping it safe for when you're back with me. I'm keeping it safe, keeping it safe, keeping
I still remember your number. Can say those digits by heart. With that first drink of the summer, I think about where you are. I dialed 235, are you alive? How I miss our late night drives in 4-6. How was it? In my mind I flip a switch and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do. Even though we were just kids, I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to knock me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye. I still remember the house now, heart beating out in my chest, and walking up to your front door, I can still see the address. I dialed 235, are you alive? How I miss our late night drives in 4-6. How was it that in my mind I flip a switch and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do. Even though we were just kids, I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to take me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye.
The sky turns gray against a fiery display of red and golden hues, like the day I fell for you. So what will you do when the sun begins to fall? I'm waiting here for you. Won't you answer my call? Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. The wind, it chills you right to the bone, and soon we'll say hello to evening snow. So what will you do when the air gets cold? Won't you quicken your steps and hurry on home? Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. gets shorter, we have reason to get closer. Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie, yeah. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. Don't you wanna get cozy with me?
Two separate time zones. Either way, we going all night long. Up late, smiling at your iPhone. I know the memes that I sent got you laughing your ass off. You still buzzing off last call, gassing you up like fast car. Jack on room to you. I'ma come scoop you. True, let's rendezvous. Skip all that waiting, I'm coming to you. Swoop you at 10, have you back home in June. Shotgun the coupe, destination no more. Yeah, yeah. See you smile everywhere I go. You're the only one I wanna hold. If you're down to ride, then I'm down to roll. Ride around and kick it like a rodeo. Yeah, yeah. We can make the news or we can let it go. Ain't no need to do a single thing just cause they say so. What the hell do they know? Bending all the rules, gonna put you in a range. Whoa, you and me is perfect timing. Looking like an angel in this lighting. Baby, you a star the way you shining. Looking like the type to make my wife. Two separate time zones. Either way, we going all night long. Up late, smiling at your iPhone. I know the memes that I sent got you laughing your ass off. You still buzzing off last call, gassing you up like fast car. Jack on room to you. I'ma come. You said I'm the only one you text first. Got you buzzing in the mood, sending something in the nude, that's your best work. Left with the feels, right or wrong. You know I keep it black and white with you like ref shirt. While we typing, I'd rather FaceTime. You know I like it, but I don't wanna waste time. Answer with your waistlines, taking up the whole can, whoa damn. Constant my attention, yeah you own that. Talk to me, love that sound. You know the lock screen, the only time I'll keep you in the background. Either me or you got a pack now. I could come to you or book you a ticket, I'll put the cash down. Lay away, exhausted but we stay up talking till we falling asleep, yeah. Would you mind if I walk through your dreams? Two separate time zones. Either way, we going all night long. Up late, smiling at your iPhone. I know the memes that I sent got you laughing your ass off. You still buzzing off last call, gassing you up